Everyone, myself Mohini Goyal. I'm an Acharya in Rigunandi Nadi, astrology and Vedic astrology. I have done various courses on numerology and Vastu Shastra as well. So today I'm going to start a series on numerology. So we will be learning step by step the basics of numerology and how to read our date of birth and analyze things about ourselves. How to understand ourselves, what is there in our date of birth, what secret does our date of birth hold. So we will be learning all these things step by step in this video series. This is the very first video which I'm going to upload. I have uploaded various short videos on YouTube and Instagram. My channel name is Lunar Soul Astrology and Vastu by Acharya Mohini Goyal. So please show your support, subscribe and like my channel. Let's get started. So I'm sharing a whiteboard and I will be explaining over there. So here we have Lo Shu Grid, right? Lo Shu Grid. Lo Shu Grid is of 9 numbers which are as follows: 4, 9, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 1, 6. When we are born on a particular date of birth. Let's say a person has date of birth 21st November 1980. This is the date of birth of a person. So this person might not have all these numbers in his date of birth. There would be some of these blanks which would be empty. So how to calculate? First of all, we will know how to calculate the personality number and the destiny number. So firstly, we will learn how to calculate the personality number and the destiny number. So personality number talks about our personality, overall personality. So personality number is the date on which you are born. Personality number is the date on which you are born. 2 plus 1, like the day 21st here, 2 plus 1 sums up to be 3. So 3 will be your personality number. So we have got a new number here, which is your personality number. Now, if I talk about destiny number, destiny will be the sum of entire date of birth. 2 plus 1 plus 11, November is 11th month, 11 plus 1 plus 9 plus 8 plus 0. So we got 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 9, 15, and 8, 15 and 8, 23. So we got 23. When we sum up 2 plus 3, it becomes 5. So the destiny number is 5. So for this particular person, what all numbers we have, how we make the Lo Shu Grid is as follows. We got the personality number 3 and we got the destiny number 5. And whatever number we have, first of all, in the date of birth, we would write it as follows. So how many 1 we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. And there are 4 ones, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 we will write here. We have 2 also, we will write 2. So 2 is coming once only, so we'll write only once. 9 is coming once, we will write 9. 8 is coming once, we will write 8. And the 2 numbers which we got here is the personality number 3, which will come here, and the destiny number 5. So you see we have some blanks which are empty here. So for everyone, there might be 3 numbers missing, 4 numbers missing, or 5 numbers missing. So it depends from date of birth to date of birth. So this is how we make a Lo Shu Grid. Now here, these numbers which are missing, that means the energy of these planets are missing in our date of birth. We do not have the energy of these planets. That is why there is some imbalance in our life. So when we do some remedies for these planets, we get the positive effect of those planets also. So that we will be learning later. Now I would be explaining you the 6 planes which we have. Like if we count 1, 2, 3 horizontally, 3 planes, and 3 planes are vertical here. 1, 2, and 3. There are 3 horizontal planes and 3 vertical planes. Each of these planes play a very important role in our life, and this signifies something. When we talk about 4, 9, 2, this is called the mental plane. This is called the mental plane. When we talk about 3, 5, 7, this is the emotional plane. When we talk about 8, 1, 6, this is the practical plane. When we talk about similarly, when we take vertically, when we talk about 4, 3, and 8, this is the thought plane. I will explain all these one by one. 9, 5, 1, this is called the will plane. 2, 6, 7, this is called action plane. So each of these combinations in our date of birth signify something. When we talk about 4, 9, 2, the mental plane, we talk about the people who are mentally very strong. These people are very strong when we talk about their mental intellect. These people have a very sharp intellect and a sharp memory. They decide differently and they think also differently. So these people have the brain which is very sharp. They are very sharp people. They decide differently, think differently, and they are very strong. When we talk about emotional plane, as the name suggests, these sort of people are very emotional. They are ruled by heart. They are golden heart people. They just do everything for you with all their heart. ये लोग दिल के राजा होते हैं. Like they are king of the heart. And they are very trustworthy people because they are very emotional people. So they do everything, whatever, they have emotions about. So when we talk about the next plane, which is 816, practical plane, as the name suggests, these people are really very practical in life. They are very difficult to defeat in conversations. These people are so practical that they will do everything by analysis, by logic, and by scientific approach. They have a different set of mind, different conversation. They are not easy to convince people. Now, the next plane is one vertical plane, which is 438. When we talk about 438, we talk about the thought plane. These people have a very strong thought process. They have the far-sightedness. They analyze things very greatly. They sense the future also. They plan things very well, and they do everything by planning, by thinking about it. Then they decide, and then they plan and implement. Now we are talking about the next plane, which is 951. We call it will plane. Willpower is very strong for these people. They are the fighter people. They have the capacity to bounce back from 0 to 10. Like if you want to read the face for these people, it is very difficult to read the face of these people. They act very smartly. They will not share the actual thing with you ever. And they will not show any worry. Even if they are worrying a lot, they won't show you. They will keep everything to themselves. Now comes the last plane, which is the action plane. As the name suggests, these people are ready to take action. They are the go-getters, they are multitasking people. They are ready to act. They are so excited about life. They just want to implement things, whatever they have planned. And sometimes they take decisions impulsively, and they're action-driven people. So they should avoid some sort of impulsiveness. So whenever you see, like, let's say there's a combination of 492 in a date of birth, so you know that this person has a very strong mental power. If there is a 951 plane coming, that means the person's willpower is very strong. When it is 816, the person will take every decision very practically in life. So today we learned about Lo Shu Grid, how the Lo Shu Grid is, how do we make the personality number, and how do we get the destiny number. Today we learned about Lo Shu Grid, how the Lo Shu Grid is, how do we make the personality number, and how do we get the destiny number. So in our next video, we will be learning about the number 1 and the combinations of double one, triple ones. What does 4-1 means in our life? What kind of people they are? We will be learning about that. So stay tuned, support my channel. I'm a very new person to astrology in terms of coming online and teaching. So I'm just trying my best, and I would really request your support for the same. Thank you so much, everyone. See you in my next video. Bye-bye. Stay tuned till then. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.